In this video, I'll show you how to install WaBooster. First, click the WaBooster icon. Then, click More Info. Next, click the Run Anyway button. Click Install. The system is now installing, please be patient. Once the installation is complete, click the Finish button. Tick the checkbox. Click Allow Access. Here, you need to fill in your personal details: name, email address, phone number, address, and license key. After filling in the details, click the Activate button. Installation is complete. Enjoy using WaBooster.